Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have dy, so we need to do the integration related to dy. So number one, that is about y. About x, that is not about y, so we have y in here. The integration of y, we have y squared over 2. And now we put the bounds from 0 to 1 minus x. So I will put this one go in here, here, and here. Number 0 go in here, here, and here. So we have like this. Because if we put number 0 go here, the bottom you got number 0. That's why we just have only 1 minus x. Now we need to expand everything in here. So we have 1 minus negative 1 over 2 of number 1 in here. So we have negative 1 over 2. Negative 2s with positive s in here because we have negative 1 over 2 with negative number 2s. So we have negative s square minus 1 over 2s square. We have positive 1 over 2 s square in here. This one positive 1 over 2. Sorry about that. Now, after we simplify everything in here, so we have the integration of 1 over 2. We have 1 over 2s. This one, we have s square over 2. This one, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. And then we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 go in here, number 0 go in here, and we have 1 over 6. Now let's go to the second one. The integration of dy, we just have only y because we don't have any y in here. So I will put this one go in here, number 0 go in here. Now we just have 1 minus s square multiplied by 1 minus s dx. So I will put number 1 go in here and number 1 go in here. Now, the integration of number 1, we have s. This one, we have s square over 2. This one we have s to the power of 3 over 3. This one we have positive s to the power of 4 over 4. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So number 1, I will put this one cone here. Number 0, I will put this one cone here. And now we have the final answer. And that is about 5 over 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.